Unit 2 Peshawar, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. What I will learn. I will learn about places in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This is a map of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Answer the questions. 1. Circle these places on the map. B3 Banu. C6 Chitral. D4 Abbottabad. 2. In which grid squares are these places? A. Peshawar C4. B. Dera Ismail Khan B2. C. Kabul River C4. D. Batgram D5. E. Swat River C5. F. Mardan C5. G. Kohat C4. H. Mingora C5. Temperature. What I will learn. I will learn how to read a temperature graph. This is a temperature graph for Peshawar for 1 week in June. Answer the questions. On Monday, the temperature was 42 degrees Celsius. 1. What temperature was it on Sunday? 39 degrees Celsius. 2. What temperature was it on Tuesday? 41 degrees Celsius. 3. What temperature was it on Friday? 40 degrees Celsius. 4. What temperature was it on Wednesday? 40 degrees Celsius. 5. What temperature was it on Thursday? 43 degrees C. 6. What temperature was it on Saturday? 42 degrees Celsius. 7. Which day had the highest temperature? Thursday. 8. On which days was it 42 degrees Celsius? Monday. 9. On which days was it 40 degrees Celsius? Wednesday. 10. Which day had the lowest temperature? Sunday. At the bazaar. What I will learn. I will learn about selling goods in a bazaar. This is Rashid's market stall in Peshawar. He sells fruit. You are going to sell some things in the bazaar. Decide what you are going to sell. 1. Draw your stall next to Rashid's. Draw all the are going to sell. 2. Why did you choose these things to sell? Answer. These are basic needs of people. 3. Are the things you are selling for men, women, or children? Answer. Yes. 4. What will you do to make people want to come to your stall? Answer. I will keep standardized things. 5. How much will you sell your things for? Answer. Common people. Values. What I will learn. I will say what I think about looking after the trees in Pakistan. Forestry, cutting down trees to use the wood, is important in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and other parts of Pakistan. In many countries, including Pakistan, the government is trying to find ways to stop too many trees being cut down. They want to make sure that new trees are planted to grow in place of the ones cut down. Here are some good things and some bad things about cutting down trees. Good. People can make money from doing this. We need wood to make things such as paper and furniture. Bad. Cutting down too many trees means animals in the forest have nowhere to live. Cutting down too many trees can make the soil very poor. What do you think? Answer the questions. 1. Do you think we should make sure not too many trees are cut down? Say why. Answer. We should make sure not to cut down trees because trees provide oxygen to human beings. 2. Do you think our forests should be looked after so animals can live there safely? Say why. Answer. Because forests are natural inhabitants of animals.
Thanks for watching and listening. If you like my videos, please like and share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.